How to hide and unhide activity status on RedNote app. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. So for that, first of all, you want to go ahead and open a RedNote application in your mobile device. Once you open the RedNote app, you want to go ahead and log into your RedNote account. Now once you're logged in, simply tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner. And once you're inside the profile section, tap on the square-like icon. Now, once you're inside the settings section, you want to go ahead and select privacy settings. Now, inside privacy settings, you'll find interaction, and under interactions, you'll find activity status. Go ahead and tap onto it. And from here, in order to hide activity status on RedNote app, you can simply select off. And in order to unhide activity status on RedNote app, you can either select friends or public. Well, that is simply how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.